Even when I was mayor. Sinabi ko sa mga kriminal pati droga, huwag kayong gumawa ng kalukuhan dito. I am building a city that is comfortable to everybody. It would not really be a wealthy city. It's a long climb. But I said, with your help, and if everybody would just refrain from making any public disturbance and allow the businesses to, communities to thrive, we would have a good life, better than the other. But I cannot say that anymore because I am already, kind of, my worry is my country. It's not only Davao City. Gusto kong gawain sana ang ginagawa ko sa Davao, walang paputok, walang sigarilyo, there's a curfew that is being enjoyed now by the Davaoians. Noon, parang galit sila o ayaw. But nung niluagan, gusto naman nila na ipapatuloy na yung kahit yan. 12 o'clock, the highways, the streets are empty. Nobody's even walking around. Nobody smoking a cigarette. And all of these things that you are enjoying now.